Right, so what we initially installed was Prism and Geth, these two. And now in addition, I installed Prism Prater and Girly Geth. So these are the fake versions. So we're on the test nets where you can test stuff without having to buy actual ETH. But obviously you don't get actual ETH either. You get Girly ETH or ETH. Right, and alongside those, I have installed a few other packages as well. There's the Web3signer. This is to promote the client diversity. More about that later. So the only thing you have to make sure is in the Web3signer Prater, you go to config, and then you put this to Prism. It probably is Prism automatically, but go there, make sure it is Prism, hit update. That's all you need to do there. Then one thing, when you install Prism Prater, I think it automatically installs Web3signer Prater. So that is automatically comes with it. If not, install it. And there's one more thing with Prism Prater. If you go to config, when you scroll right down, there is an empty field there, and that's the fee recipient address. So that is where when you propose a block, you get some extra fees after the merge. Not yet the case, but after merge it will be. And yeah, obviously this is just the Prater version, so you only get fake ETH, but this will be the case in the normal Prism package as well. So get used to it, sort of create a MetaMask address, and that is where the fees get put into then. That's that. That's the config in Prism Prater. And with Girly Geth, I don't think there is anything to look for. No. Right, but then the other things, oh yeah, by the way, and how you install these two, I think I showed you last time. It's in here, it's Prism Prater, so install this one. And, oh no, this is Girly Geth, so this one, yeah, those two. Right, and on top of that, I have installed DMS, which I think automatically installs the DappNode exporter. So the only thing left to explain is DMS, and that is back in the Dapp store, and this package here. And this is for monitoring your validators, basically. I have that installed already, and I will tell you about that later. We're gonna check that out. It's really cool monitoring thing. Okay. Now these are the packages probably you want to install. If you don't have 32 gigs of RAM, you want to be probably a bit careful. So at this point, maybe just turn off Prism and Geth, and you do that in the packages. You go to Prism, and you say here, you just hit pause, and yeah, then it pauses and it doesn't use any resources. And for Geth, yeah, I guess you can pause it here as well, and then it switches back to the remote client. I think that's one way to do it. And the other way would be to go to System, go to Repository, and then just click on Remote again. And then it switches back from the full node to the remote. And that would get rid of this. Right, well, that's the explanation so far. And let's have a closer look at those packages in the next video.